Trying to change your profile picture on Facebook and getting that annoying "sorry, couldn't update your profile picture" error? Today, I'll walk you through every working fixes step by step, from quick tweaks to full resets. Let's get your new pickup. Fix 1. Check photo requirements. Most common cause: Facebook is picky about profile pictures. Before uploading, use JPG, PNG, or GIF. No HEIC or WebP or weird formats from iPhone or Android camera. The size should be under 8 MB. The best would be 1 to 4 MB. Resize if needed. Resolution: at least 170 into 170 pixels. Square is ideal. No filters or watermarks that Facebook flags. Clear cache and force restart app. Fastest glitch killer. Open phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Facebook from the list. Tap on it. Tap on storage and cache. Tap clear cache, not data. Keeps you logged in. Then force stop the app. Go back to home screen, reopen Facebook, and try changing profile picture again. The third fix is try different upload methods. Bypass the error. Method 1. Use camera roll directly. Tap profile picture, add profile picture, then select from gallery, then crop and save. Method 2. Temporary switch. Change to an old photo from your album first, then save, then upload the new one right after. Method 3 is mobile data versus Wi-Fi. Switch networks, turn off Wi-Fi or turn on data or vice versa. Bad connection often triggers this error. However, let's jump to the fix 4. Update Facebook app plus device restart. Go to Google Play Store, search for Facebook, tap update if available. New versions fix many upload bugs. After update, restart your phone completely. Power off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it on. Then try again. Fresh app plus reboot solves corrupted upload sessions. Fix 5. Lost resource if nothing works. Clear app data. But warning, it locks you out. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then app management or manage app. Depends on your phone model. Then find Facebook from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then clear data, and then go to your app and re-log in. Use Facebook Lite. Use Facebook Lite app. Download from Play Store. Upload picture there. It syncs to main app. Another fix it can be try on browser facebook.com in Chrome. Desktop site often bypasses mobile bugs. The last one, wait 1 to 2 hours. Sometimes it's a temporary Facebook server glitch. There you go. Your profile picture should update now. If this worked for you, smash that like button and subscribe for more Facebook and Android fixes.